making a movie.
Orange tree when he's out of there too. But now you can reach right up and grab oranges where you couldn't even touch the tree.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there's the orange tree. You can reach up and grab oranges. Can't even reach it before, but now you can. And I'm walking up the driveway.
Got another parking spot.
Another parking spot here. And then right up here is where Bill tells me that the tank is going to go instead of down below. And so he was telling me right over here, so he says he'll move that bamboo and the tank will just go about right here. And he'll take out those MacNut trees to make room for the tank. So I'll walk around the back. Here's the back. Pretty much the same, except for going down to Bill's room is much different. There you go for that. Nice patio, lanai. And now this is all clear. And I understand you're getting concrete here, which is so cool. And here's the front of the house. I don't know when you left and what was done before you left.